Okay guys, welcome to my new video how to advertise your affiliate link using banner ads. With this method guys, you can use this traffic to promote PaySpree affiliate link and Warrior Plus affiliate link. With PaySpree, I recommend to use 100 per day. You can type in the search and you will get a 100 per day. Okay, you will get two products. This product not active. You can see this product. Let's visit this product, and you will get this page, this product. This is a fantastic product to promote, and the reason you can see a very convert title and very convert video, and the sell page look very nice and very convert. Okay, also you can make search in Warrior Plus, and you will find unlimited product, very convert product that you can promote using the traffic that I will show you in the next 1 minute. Okay, so basically with this video I will show you a very cheap banner ad advertising that you can promote your PaySpree and Warrior Plus. Also, you can promote your ClickBank affiliate link using this banner ad traffic. But for now, I recommend to promote your Warrior Plus or PaySpree.com using this banner ads advertising. Okay, so banner ads advertising number one. This is a very cheap banner ad advertising. You can see follow my buzz.com. This is one of the website that you can put your banner here in the top or here in the bottom. Okay, this website accepting two banner sizes, so you can use, if you want, two banners to promote your affiliate link, and you will get traffic and hits guaranteed. Okay, this is a fantastic way to promote your affiliate link and get traffic, very cheap traffic and very convert. Okay, banner ads number two. You can see you can put here three banners sizes. This is the sizes that you can see with traffic up. Okay, traffic up. You can advertise your banner and get traffic. Your banner will be, let's see, your banner will be or in this place or in this place. You can see the size of this banner or here. Okay, so like this banner, this is one of the advertisers that put and advertise his banner in this website. So if you advertise your banner, this size will be in this place. Okay, traffic source banner advertising number three is Talk PTC. This is very cheap. You can see here advertise This website accepting only one size. Let's see, you can see 5.50 cents per month. This is a fantastic way. You can see here static top banner 20 over 20 dollars. Your banner will be here, okay, in this place. All these members on this website is searching for make money online. You can read this text and you will learn more about this traffic. Okay, so when you advertise, your banner will be here or here in the top or in the bottom. Okay, so your banner will get unlimited impression from real people who's searching to make money online. Okay, so this is the reason why I am recommend to promote this product. Okay, this product is fantastic to promote using this banner ads traffic. Okay, traffic source number 4 is a digital point. This is also very cheap. You can see here advertise unlimited people visiting this website, a lot of them searching to make money online, so you can use this solution or this option to promote your banner, make money niche, okay, and you can earn unlimited cash from this website. Okay, I hope you like this video. So you can see there is 4 websites that you can promote your banner ads and get unlimited impression daily. Very important. If you want to promote your banner, you have to use a very convert banner. You can see this is a fantastic banner to promote. Don't worry, I will put this banner below this video so you can use it if you want. This banner is fantastic for this product. Okay, so you can use this banner to promote this product from PaySpree, and you will get unlimited impression, and you will get unlimited sales using this banner and this product. Okay, so thank you again for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit like. If you need any help, just comment below this video. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.